Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. So today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do a basic footwork move, that I saw at the end of the Love Not City dance that I thought was really cool, and that's why I wanted to teach you guys. So, I've seen 3 different ways of doing this dance move, so I'll just show you the 3 different versions and then I'll leave the timestamp here to the tutorial part if you're just interested in a specific version, or you can just learn all 3 versions. Okay, so the first version goes like this. Hey, oole, oole. The second version goes like this. Smooth. Ooh. 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 And number 3 looks like this. Tap, 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 tap. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, so the easiest way to practice this move is to first get a chair. Okay, so once we have some chairs, you can use those to take up some of the weight because we need to practice having almost all of our weight on our left leg, alright? So what you want to start by practicing is on your heel, lifting your toes, moving it from side to side, side to side, side to side, side to side. Pretty easy, right? Now, the next thing you want to do is practice saying your toes are now pointing, your left leg toes are pointing to your right corner, and the right one is barely touching, all right? Now from here, what you want to do is go, when you flick this one to the other side, the right one is just going to sit up, down. Okay, so at the same time, it's going to look like this. Boom. Again. Boom. Try and practice with me. I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. Notice how I brought back my toes here, boom, and then repeated the process, all right? That's basically the move, all right? You just bring it back, boom, back, 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 okay? Just try and practice that for a while. Once you're ready, the next thing you want to do is just practice bending your knees, so go slightly down a level, alright? I'm just going to show it once here. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so still doing the same thing, but just using your knees going down a level. Hey, hey. Okay. Okay, version 2. So for those of you who didn't see version 1, brought out some chairs to use those to lift up some of the weight because it's going to be easier when we need to practice this stuff, all right? So what you want to do in version 2 is you want to do a jump here, boom, okay? So my left leg, toes are pointing to my right corner. Now I want to jump to the left corner, all right? So from here, boom, again, boom, again, boom. Pretty easy, right? Now, the next thing you want to do is say, boom, bring it back on your heel, all right? So I'm just lifting my toes back, okay? So what we want to practice is say, jump, bring it back, jump, bring it back, jump, bring it back. Try again with me. I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to start. 5, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, bring it back, boom, bring it back, boom, bring it back. Okay, this next thing we're gonna practice is gonna be super hard. Hang in there. The right leg is just gonna float above the ground. Boom, boom, just sweeping the floor. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, we wanna do that at the same time as we're doing this. Boom, 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 boom. So, jump, sweep, jump, sweep, jump, sweep. Try and practice with me. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, sweep, jump, sweep, jump, sweep, jump, sweep. Alright, version 3. For those of you who haven't watched version 1 and version 2, I brought out some chairs to help take up some of the weight when we practice this advanced stuff, and also to keep the balance, alright? So we're going to practice with version 3 here. Let me just think. Boom. Yeah, that's actually the easiest one in my opinion. Okay, so basically the left one is just saying jump, jump, jump. Pretty easy, right? Now, the right one is saying lift, flick. Alright, so notice how my right leg is on my heels and I'm just flicking my toes inwards, outwards, inwards, outwards, inwards, outwards. Now, the difficult part is to combine it, alright? So we want to go jump, okay? When we jump, the right leg is going to have the toes pointing inwards, alright? And then you just want to flick it out, and then you want to repeat the process. Boom, out, boom, out, boom, out, boom, out. Alright? Just practice super slow and then gradually speed up, okay? Boom, just practice at your own pace. Boom, 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 boom. Big thanks to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. For those of you who don't know what Skillshare is, it's an online learning community with thousands of classes within all kinds of topics. So obviously there's dance, but there's also music if you want to learn how to play the guitar, if you want to learn how to be a gardener, business skills, you name it, they have it. I do have to say that you would have to pay in order to join and take these classes, but I don't know, it's kind of obvious to me because it's a platform made just for learning and there are benefits like no ads, etc. Anyways, there's an offer right now for new users, so the first 1,000 people to click on the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial. I will personally also be taking a class called YouTube Script, Shoot and Edit by Marcus Brown Lee. Obviously, I do know one or two things about YouTube, but I think the good thing about this class is that it takes you through the whole process from A to Z, so I might still learn a lot of things. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.